Hi folks, it's Jeff Slavin here, and tonight we're going to talk about the Suunto M3G compass. Now, I don't know enough about orientation to actually explain how a compass works. I know just enough to stop me from getting lost. But basically, you use a compass in conjunction with a map, and it has to be a modern map. Now, why does it have to be a modern map? Well, for a number of reasons. And the main reason is magnetic declination. Now, there is a difference between true north and magnetic north, and that's called the declination. And if you're using a map, say you go out on a hike, and you're using the map from the 1970s, that is going to be, it's not going to work for you properly because magnetic declination changes. And that means that true north and magnetic north are different, and they change over the years. And so using the map from the 1970s is not going to be the same as using a map from today. So on most maps that you actually get, you're going to have down at the bottom, down there somewhere, it's going to say the declination for that particular area. And that actually does change over time. And so it's important for you to get a compass that can actually cater to the changes in declination. So why use a compass at all? Because we've got GPS, right? Well, GPS is fine in most cases, and there's all kinds of devices, like Garmin makes a really nice one, and there's a few of them. But the thing is that sometimes GPS doesn't work. You might be in a particular jungle setting or something like that, and the GPS is not going to actually get through the canopy and work. Or maybe the battery is gone dead on your GPS. And that means a compass is pretty damn important. So, anyway, getting back to declination. Okay. Obviously, a compass is going to be used in conjunction with a map, most times. When I go out to the forest or go out into the wilderness, I will try to have a map with me. If I don't, though, I have my compass. And that is going to let me know north from south, east to west. And that's going to be all good. All good. Alright, now we're talking about the Suunto M3G. Now this compass is actually quite brilliant. We'll have a quick look here on the back first. You might see that little thing there. And that is so you can adjust your magnetic declination. And you do that with this small key here. And you will put that in there and twist that around. And that is going to adjust your declination. Now, I know that my area here in Wellington, New Zealand is 23 degrees declination. That means that I set my declination to 23 degrees, and that way I know that when I am pointing my compass north, it is going to go to true north. And that's what that is all about. So, let's have a look at the Suunto compass. First of all, the attachments. It comes with a lanyard, as you can see here, and it comes with a way to attach the lanyard to the compass. It also comes with your declination key, as we've discussed earlier, and it comes with this nice plastic thing, which goes up and down like that. I have no idea what this is for. I've searched online and can't work it out. Maybe one of y'all can help me explain to me what that fucking does. But you get one of those as well. Okay, having a look at the compass, you can see here that you've got your direction marker, and again down here, this glows in the dark. This bit here and this ring around here glows in the dark. And so there is your direction, and it moves up to there. Glow in the dark here. Rotating bezel, which of course all compasses have. You have a magnifying glass here, which is great if you're like me and your eyes don't work so well. You can have a look at the map and see maybe the name of a place or something like that, or some of the topographical areas, and you'll be fine. Okay. So up here we've got inches, and there you go like so. On this side we have centimeters. Over here we have kilometers, and so that's all good. So, like I said, I'm not going to try to explain how to use the compass in the map. There are plenty of videos on YouTube that will do that for you. But what I will tell you is this is a damn fine compass. And, man, I'm not going to get lost in the woods as long as I've got this. And preferably a map. But even without a map, if I know where I went into the woods, and I use this to make sure that I know where I went in, then I'm going to know how to get out. So this is made in Finland, and it's damn fine. It really is. You can get several different models. This one, I think, is the premium of the Suunto compass models, and I do recommend it. So yeah, don't rely on GPS all the time, because the battery may die, or all kinds of reasons. Anyway, there we go. This is the Suunto M3G Global model compass out of Finland. They're worth having a look at. And so check it out. And I tell you what, if you're going into the woods or you're going into a wilderness area, anywhere, you want to have a compass. Okay, folks, this is Jeff Levinson. Take care, stay oriented, and be safe. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye.